trying to maintain, don't worry about nothing.
Yo, what's up, guys? Thank you for watching us. This is episode 5 of Teens Ablaze show. We like to thank you. I'm your host, DJ Akenjol.
And I am Shanice Wanja.
We want to, by the way, guys, it has been a long time. My co-host hajakuwa hapa. So right now, we want to do this. Sijui tungeleta sherehe hapa, but we are glad you are here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Sawa, tosha, imetosha. Yes, so today we having lots and lots of things to discuss. Today we are discussing about leadership and calling. Hebu tell me, Shanice, tell me what's umeikuwa leader?
Nishaikuwa leader by the way. Na si uongo. Nishaikuwa leader.
Wapi?
Shule. Hata church.
Oh, okay. Na calling yako ni gani?
Calling yangu ni ku make people wa smile.
Mna smile? I don't. I'm sure.
Ushaikuwa leader?
Najua shule yetu, wacha kwambie shule yetu niliingia shule form 1, ndio of course tuliingia zote form 1. Tulikuwa na ile kitu ya kusign, kuandika barua kwa head teacher ndio uweze kuwa prefect ama kitu yote. Mimi nimeandika for 4 years. Nimeandika for 4. Sijua waionangi ama ikifika inakuwa blank. Haikuna kitu. But mimi ni leader. I'm a leader.
And your calling?
My calling is tutajua when these amazing people wakikam and they'll tell us more. So stay tuned. Stoke hapo. See ya. Kaboom.
Do it. You talking to haters, talk to God. He'll see you do it. Sitting by the miss.
We are the T412 and you are watching Teens Ablaze show. Make sure you share, like, subscribe and comment. Teens Ablaze for God.
So right about now I want to talk about calling. Si ya simu. Nilisema vile tulianzisha si ya simu. Wow. Anyway, it's calling from God the Most High. Calling. So it's like quite serious. Deep.
Naambia kila mtu ako interpretation yake iko.
Hebu interpretation yako ya calling. Beyond calling, about
just beyond the serious one.
Yeah, beyond the serious one.
Manze amenipata flat. Sema tu
sema kola.
Kola calling bado. Wewe unafikiria nini yote?
Mtu akola ile imesema infinity scarf. Mshasema.
Hebu sema tu.
Infinity scarf. Vitu wa call sasa.
So your process ya kuivaa. Nice. Calling.
What? Now the serious us now. Hebu kwanza. What's calling to you guys? What's calling? Mtu akiambiwa vile tu mapasi ukama na kuambiaje Milome have had God, itakuwa kweli ati God is calling you. How can God can call you, right? Not through phone but call you. How is that? Utajuaje God amekukall?
Yes. First of all, the Bible says that my sheep know my voice. When you have a relationship with God, that's when you can understand the place or the goal which you are supposed to attain. So to be called, you might be called, but you may not understand the calling before you are called. You may understand the calling after you are called. For example, when David was told to become a king, he was first taken through Machuom. Yeah. he was told to lead the sheep. When he was leading the sheep, he killed bears and he killed lions, not knowing that God was training him to be a lead warrior. warrior, as in to wall, to protect, to wall. Yeah. Yeah, that's what's up. So each and every person has a calling, but the problem is they haven't yet discovered the calling. So to discover your calling, you must have a relationship with God, then you will understand your calling. But you are called, I can assure you. Yes.
Everyone is called. Umesikia? Everyone. Ebu tell us the next question, because I'm so into calling mode. Yeah.
Ningetaka sasa kuuliza what's your individual calling. Mi bado sasa hivi venye ninaisikia bado by this I don't think the same calling yenye kwa nadhani, but individually calling zenyu ni gani?
Can we say calling by the ni ka talent?
No, because I think talent is a tool. It's a tool for you to make the calling to be evident or to come to pass. Yeah.
Okay. So calling zenu tuanza na Clyde.
So actually mimi niko na swali pia kwa mapresenter na okay, na sisi tu wote at large hadi wenye wanatuwatch. Calling na purpose. Calling na purpose difference ni nini? Anyone? Sija kwanga presenter hivi. Anyone here who knows?
Yes,
maybe the difference?
Wow, I think watu wengi huzitumia synonymously. But naweza sema calling the act hiyo unaambiwa as in God anaku-draw from where you are yani. Alafu anaku-call to a purpose. So you are not called as in unajua nikaa venye mtu anakupigianga simu alafu anakuambia this is tufanye unajua. So after the call is when you get the purpose.
True.
As in when God akisha call out akisha ku separate from where you are ndo nakupata ndo as in hapo unakuja ku realize your purpose. A case in example ni mtu kama Samuel na pia Moses. As in Moses alikuanga na chunga sheep, alafu God anamuita Moses unajua, na yeye alikuwa analala anaitwa, alafu ndo sasa later anakuja naambiwa this is what I want you to do. So the first thing is that when you're called ni kuko tu available, and then when you are in that presence of God ndo you'll be able to know what you need to do, because yeah, so that's the purpose. So without nsemeaje God is nsemeaje it's kind of hard for you to know your purpose if you haven't obeyed the call. So if the call comes first and then the purpose
comes second.
Yeah. So is it right for me to say what's your calling, or should I ask what's your purpose?
I think tuni nsemaje either
can do. Yeah. Okay, now back to me. By this is squat na nini. Nilikuwa nataka ku differentiate, si wote tuweze ku get, si wote tuweze ku differentiate what's the difference between calling and purpose. Juu personally pia mimi nilikuwa na get a bit mixed. Umefikiria
kitu? Nani Paul alikuanga anasema I'm apostle of Jesus ndio, and then kuna siku alikuwa umelala, sijui msao alikuwa wapi, alafu mtu akatokea in a dream so hapo kuna hiyo aspect pia hiyo hizi vitu zani I think nafikiria sana. Alikuwa na live purpose yake ku preach the word, but hiyo kuenda Macedonia, hiyo ilikuwa a calling kuenda Macedonia. So unaweza kuwa you are this gifted person when you DJ like so you know that so you see purpose yako, but unajua so kuna venye sasa una present, so hapa you are expected to act in the calling of a presenter.
Okay,
sijui kana make sense.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Naweza kitu naweza sema that you can be called but not chosen, because I think kuna kitu kama purpose call, as in what the purpose of your call. I think hiyo ndo nafaa kuanza, nafaa kusema as in I'm called to do this and this. No, cause God anatanga watu wengi but si watu wengi wanatanga. So ukitika sana unakuwa chosen. you first being called and then you're chosen after you accept the call. After hapo sasa ndio unakuwa purpose yako.
So in short, tuulize the purpose of your calling.
Whoa. We are getting we're getting hot. It's getting hot.
Oh my.
Oh my. Oh me. Oh my.
Nowhere. Teams are blessed. Blessed to be.
With no benches.
Yeah, so
How shiki joke.
Imempita.
that was funny.
Okay. Ujasema
Purpose of my calling. Yes. So I was called and mili likubali JMD. Yes, I was called and nilikubali. Naweza sema purpose of my calling venye lilikoliwa Kenya God aliniambia kwa hiyo simu, kwa hiyo conversation yani believe ni ku reach out to the youth who were in the same place as I was. Najua same shimo, same slimy pit that I was in. That's my main purpose and of that call. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Unataka kuongeza add yangu.
Add Jesus.
Okay, my purpose is to make other people be fortunate. Yeah, so with all the tools that I have, they're all geared towards making someone feel fortunate or blessed. Yeah.
Yes.
I could say that my purpose is to give hope to the hopeless, and drawing to the meaning of Kelvin. My name is somebody who has a passion in the eyes, somebody who has a vision to accomplish. So I believe that my purpose in my calling, the purpose in my calling is to bring out the passion in people. Yeah, people want to make it in life. People want to need to go an inch higher in life. Yeah.
Your purpose.
Mbona mimi unaniuliza purpose na watu wengine wamesema calling? Anyway, I'm just kidding. Yes, I'm just kidding. Anyway, I believe that I am called to be the mouthpiece of God, in short, to be a prophet and to be relevant to this generation, mostly to areas whereby people feel rejected, rather areas whereby ministers have been afraid to go to slums, to this generation, yeah, etc. And to add to what they were saying about purpose and calling, I'll simply say that being called, you are called to do something. Your purpose is why are you called to do that thing. The achievement of your position is your calling. Thank you very much.
Do.
Mimi nasikia nimeshikwa. Words.
Oh. As you finish this topic of calling, nataka uambie msee hapo uko mtaani umadvise something on the leadership topic and also on the calling topic, alafu usalimia watu. Najua of course nitakusalimia mama, usalimiane, tutaanza milo.
Yes, thank you very much. First of all, when you make a phone call, the credit belongs to the one who is calling. When God calls you, he's supposed to get the credit. Otherwise, he won't be able to call you again. Obviously, God can do anything, so he'll be able to call you again. Meaning that when God calls you, he's supposed to get the credit. Get it? Anyway, and the last thing, let me touch on calling and leadership simultaneously. When you look at someone like Solomon, no one believed in him. By the way, when Solomon was praying for wisdom, he wasn't praying out of being wise. Some people think that Solomon was wise initially before praying for wisdom. The real thing is that Solomon was desperately calling to God because he saw a large multitude, and he was wondering, oh God, how will I lead these people? So the only way for him to lead these people was to get wisdom from God. because nobody believed in him. Many people believed in the other son of David, who was older than him. The only person who believed in Solomon was David, Solomon's mother, I think 2 guards, and Nathan the prophet. But the legal advisors, everyone believed in the other son of David. Don't feel unworthy. You have been called, you have been chosen, you are a leader.
So guys, hiyo ndio itakuwa za trend yangu, meniacha trend.
Just feeling myself right now. Venye yangu sasa inaendanga straight. But acha nipeane credit where it's due. Ni God alinipe hiyo style. Nataka nipe ingine man.
Okay, so Jemedi, would tell people.
Yeah. So I will touch on leadership and the calling. So leadership, I will go to authority. As the Bible says that we should respect authority because authority are the people who are chosen by God. Because if you disobey authority, it's like disobeying God. Because God chose the people in authority. So if you are a leader, you should just, like we said, you should first lead yourself in maybe stewardship, in the speech, love, conduct, and purity. Because you can't lead an example if you're not an example. You can't lead people if you're not an example yourself. If you're not an initiator, if you're not able to take the initiative of being a leader. As you go to the calling, I could say that many people are called but few are chosen, and people don't believe in themselves. Okay, let me refer to Gideon. Gideon was hiding at the table when God says that, Gideon, you are a mighty warrior. Now he was like, me I can't fight people, I can't fight the people in the field, but God chose him even when he was on the table. He called him you Gideon are the mighty warrior. So people should seek God so much to a place whereby they can hear when God speak, because you can't hear your master if you don't spend time with him or her. Yes.
Amen. What I can say about leadership, God calls you and then he qualifies you. So don't seme ati nataka kuacha hii kitu ndo niende kwa God. God just wants you the way you are. And then last but not least is that anyone is a leader. Tumeangalia on the good side, but there's also the other aspect. So I'll just plead with you. There are people who are leaders but they were in the bad side, as in wali lead watu to do things that were not godly, akina watu kaa kina Hitler, unajua. So they were good leaders but leading people in the bad direction. So lead people to Christ, yani we kwa hiyo msemeaje, kwa hiyo billboard yani yenye hiyo as in inaonyesha watu to Christ, so that as in those lead watu to the wrong way. So hiyo ndio kinaweza kuambia. God bless you. Yeah.
Yes, and hapa hivi hi once again. Yes, just like to say that one thing before tukuja hapa nyuma kiasi, notice mu kwanga napenda kuencourage watu sana sana kama wewe mwenyewe unanitazama. Yes, and we believe that we are all great, and it only takes a perception of the mind and you being positive for you to attain anything that you think can't be attained. So I assume calling yangu pia ni ku-encourage watu. Yes, and I don't assume, I'm sure. Yes, I give credit to God. Yes, nipe zingine mingi. Back to calling and leadership, what I'd like to say is that we are all called, and depends with what you do with your call. Good example, just taking a phone call and from Tuote randomly, and what will be said on the other end will depend with you, what you'll do, your actions, and all that you'll have to do after that. So I'd really encourage each and everyone who's listening to us just to heed to the call of God. Whatever he's called you from, never shy away from it. Usikue embarrassed of your past, because God delivered you from that so that you can go and be the light to others so that you can encourage others. So kubali your phone call, kuwa leader. If you look at the characteristics of a leader, you basically show direction and vitu kama hizo. So basically for you to show direction, you must be hooked to the the server. What's the name? Yeah, it's your directory. But yeah, najua the ultimate compass. So for us to be positive leaders who will bring change to this world, I'd really like to say that we must get hooked to God, because yeye atatupe vision, yeye atatupe sight, yeye atatupe the right direction. Hizi zingine zetu za kibinadamu manze, naweza kwambia fanya hii, fanya ile, but kaijatoka from God, man, iko bound to faith. Yeah, that image, love you.
Naweza sema tu kitu moja. I've had a lot of my friends wananiambia, as in kumekuwa na debate kama God yuko, mbona kuna watu wana dedi na as in they are good people, why are people suffering, why is there all this pain? Na mimi nasema if hiyo ni kitu yenye it really hurts you, maybe God is calling you to be the remedy of that. Kama as in usiseme ati God uko wapi. God ana expect utumie hizo mkono umekupatia to do something different that can help reduce that pain in someone's life. So Moses aliona Israelites wakiumia, wewe unaweza kuona hiyo shida, go ahead and do something with what God has given you. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, pia mimi naweza penda kuongezea kitu moja.
Ongezea basi, ongeza.
Tunawapenda. Yes, but seriously, Kenya amesema ni kitu important sana. Nimecheka nikasahau Kenya alikuwa ataka kusema, but yeah, God anawapenda na pia sisi tunawapenda. Yeah.
So this is T412 Neighbor, najua unawapendanga sana na sikizanga tu kichiza ngoma zao na kuletea CD ama autograph, kitu yote tu utakuonesha niko nao. Na pia I get to know kuna mmoja wenu yuko hapa.
Yeah, sure. Ian Muhanji, ule mwenye uko mrefu na nywele mingi kutushinda si wote. Yes, he's currently out of the county. Country. Sorry, I meant county. Yeah, flew out of the county and ametuma salamu zake from the other end. Anawapenda sana, tunawishage kwa hapa venye pia nyitu mnawish mafans wake. Nimeona yes, na ametuma salamu. Hopefully next time atakuwa hapa, and 26th by the tutakuwa tuna launch project yetu inaitwa 5 the EP. So at least hata amefanya poa kuacha kuwa hapa hivi. Anashughulikia vitu mob sana, na ukitaka kujua nini kama nywele yake inakaa Johnny Bravo saa au nini, vitu zenye anashughulikia, kindly make a date 26th of June. It's about to get really fired up, something really new, something really dope. Sindio?
Yes,
something really blazing.
Awesome, something really blazing. Venue time. Venue will be at Sitam Buruburu, and the time will be from 2 to 6, right? Yeah. And tickets will be going for 3 sock at the gate, 2 sock in advance. Where can you get them? Just call this number that will be passing down here right now at this moment. Yeah, there 0700 412 412, or you can hit us up also on our social media pages, Instagram T412 Kenya, Facebook the T412, Twitter the T412. Yeah.
And just to add, when you buy a ticket you get a free CD.
Yeah, by the tickets come with the CD. Shati ni pesa tu. It's more of a barter trade.
Awesome. Hiyo tutakuwa hapo by the way, si ndio tunaenda? Tunachukua ngapi?
Alafu tupate CD ngapi?
Tutapeana. Unajua hii ni Teens Blaze, lazima tu tupatie watu tuoneshe we love you, thanks. Hiyo tutaongea na director baadaye. So thank you guys for coming, thank you guys for giving us that. Mmetupeleka mbali, tunaenda sasa kujiresearch, kuandika chini. thank you guys so much. Come again.
Thank you
next
for
time.
having us.
Yeah.
Just a parting
We appreciate it.
Na umevaa trouser, hizi parting shot unatoa.
Hii parting shot yangu ni long.
Ni long.
Parting shot long. Because I believe Teens Are Blaze is for the teens.
Yeah.
And the teens are the future of the nation, of the country. So I would like to urge each and everyone who is watching, who is a teen, that if you have something in you, you have something. God says that we are not valuable because He loves us, but God loves us because we are valuable. Come on. So if you are there, if you are an artist, if you are an MC, ama DJ, host, na umekaa tu hapo nyumbani tu una link unasema yani eti ujuane na DJ Archangel, ujuane na wase wa Disidoni, as in just make one move, because you don't have to wait to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. As in don't just sit down just waiting for manna from heaven, ama ngoje sponsor akuje eti akwambie nimeona jo unaweza imba, jo unaweza cheza ball poa, na si sponsor nyingine. So as in told teens tu yani, as in this world needs you manzi. Akina Zuckerberg walianza tu kama wewe, umekaa hapo unaona, ukanisikia jo, ukamake one move unaona, ukachange the world. Barikiweni sana.
Awesome. Ana kuja wako.
Hey.
Yo, usifanye style, isafanye hivi. Hiyo iko. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. We appreciate. I hope mmechukua kitu. Yeah, so tutawaacha waimbe. Of course lazima waimbe. Mi favorite song yako ni gani? Wacha tusikie sasa kawa. Favorite song yako ni gani at 412? Tuambie tu. Just tell. No, don't think. Just tell guys. Just tell guys. Ama nikuambilelea. So guys, amekata kusema kwa sababu anadhani sijui ni amesema, aliniambia back tukiwa huko mbali tukikaa, her best song ni Piga Chuo. Ajuangi nini by the way? Piga Chuo ajuangi. I tried to tukashindwa, conversation ikaisha pale. Chomni.
Makofi hata kutoka nyumbani. Piga makofi.
So we leave that sing Piga Chuo. Toka kijiko piga chuo. By the way, kijiko mlitoa ngapi? Toka kijiko. How will someone toka kijiko?
Toka kijiko ni kimbia tu.
Yeah, it's a slang word that basically just means to run, like
to run, yeah.
Bolt, yani like a dancing spoon, lakini unajua sasa kwa akili yako unafikiria ngoma translate kwa English. Hebu imagine Mngoso amekaa hapa hivi unajaribu I'm from the UK. What does the song can you interpret? Okay, unaweza interpret.
Move like a spoon.
Direct translation that is. Spoon.
Wacha wetu acha tuache waimbe. Tukiendelea hapa tutacheka hadi kesho. So thank you guys for coming. So
thank you.
Usitoke hapo, wana perform sai right now. Toka kijiko.
Yo, by the way, kitu moja yenye mnafaa kujua, hii ngoma niseme ama nisiseme? Niseme ama nisiseme? Semeni ngwe. Na mmesema wow. Yes, hii ngoma iko na special yake yenye itakwenda kama kwa EP.
Yes sir.
Hatuwezi sema more than that, but kuna special. So kunaipenda.
Piga chomno fike
buruburu. Fike 6 siku 2060.
Yes. So goodbye guys. Ambia to bye.
Buy our album.
I'm out. Mimi nimeenda Rosa, mimi nimeenda.
Si zina come like this. Okay, rev mimi sitaki hiyo form, siko ndani unanijaribu kwani jemedini mutiani kwani wewe ni msafiri
You know we in this right? I got my homies up in here. Jimmy G.
God mommy lomeless EG
Devo alitem tukasema la Akidisobey ukasema la
dakika kadhaa
badala kuhepa ukapata
huwezi kataa. Why you hanging with the devil?
ukimwona toka mbio ama utajipata na hang na magenga na bang na
Kushung bang na mademu na wabang. Why you wanna be dead?
temptation ikikuja bwana toka mbio toka tara
Wacha kuona randa toka kijiko ngata. Ukika hapo basi wewe utakipata pata. Yesu akuita bana temptation ngata kata. Ukizubaa sana mimi unajipata pata. God ndo kusema so. Follow the leader wacha kugo so. Kristo bila kasoro. Piga chuo toka kijiko.
Majaribu yakija kama Yusufu nitang'ada.
kijiko
Nitang'ada, nipe nguvu majaribu nazo niweze kung'ada.
Dude kijiko
Napiga piga chuo. Ng'ada toka kijiko 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 piga chuo. Ng'ada toka kijiko. Kuna vita ndani yangu, flesh blood zote ndani yangu, devil nje, Yesu ndani yangu. Nimesema nitashinda vita ndani yangu. Nini? Nazidi kabad, hakuna cha Misri naenda Kanaan. Imani neema najua nitaweza, liwe liwalo nishaficha wapi. Dhambi ikikuja buda ng'ada, hakuna idea ya kubangaiza. Buda ng'ada, we ita Bwana, yani we shetani kana, yani we na Yesu Bwana, yo we majaribu yakija kama Yusufu nitang'ada.
Dude kijiko
Nitang'ada, nipe nguvu majaribu nazo niweze kung'ada.
Dude kijiko
Napiga chuo. Ng'ada toka kijiko piga 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 chuo. Ng'ada toka kijiko. Uliyedhani umesimama, karada usidunde. Delaila anakusaka, akunyoe akumadisie. Na kikuja buda ng'ada, hakuna idhaa ya kubangaiza. Buda ng'ada, dhambi ikikuja buda ng'ada, hakuna idhaa ya kubangaiza. Buda ng'ada piga chuo. Ng'ada toka kijiko piga chuo. Napiga ng'ada toka kijiko piga. Napiga ng'ada toka kijiko piga. Napiga ng'ada toka kijiko piga chuo. Pop House boy toka kijiko. Si tupige chuo basi, tupige chuo tuende home. Toka kijiko piga chuo. Ng'ada toka kijiko piga chuo. Ng'ada toka kijiko piga chuo.
So thank you guys for Kapo and listening to the
Or rather watching.
and listening also
Yes.
to us and T412. Tutafanya collab with them. Hiyo siku mmeambiwa, sitaki kuambia, tunajua mmeshika, mkuje from 2 to 6. Tickets zinauzwa hapo kwa gate. Hiyo ni business studies for one. So yeah, and also pia kwa topic ya leadership and calling, I hope umeshika kitu. I hope pia wewe umeshika kitu. So yeah, you guys, thank you so much. I can't thank you. So thank you so much. Make sure sure to follow us on Instagram at teens_ablaze, on Facebook
Teens Ablaze.
on Twitter we are at teens_ablaze, on YouTube we are at teens. Thank you. Subscribe, like, share, watch, view, share,
Comment.
and yes, hiyo ndambia next time. Make sure to interact with us kila kitu. And by the way guys, this thing that tunataka nyinyi mtusaidie. Tell us, comment on our pages, DM us Facebook, ndio tujue wenye wanataka kuje kwa show, sio?
Exactly, so that you at least come and improve.
Yeah.
You tell us as in what you feel about the show. Just be active.
Interact with us as we interact to you. Mungu abariki, wacha si tupige chuo na tu tuende. See ya guys.
Sisi ndio wale pasi. Big up Umoja pasi. Tipo 12 wale pasi. Kama Iron Box.